So, I'm now going to attempt to show you how to wind your bobbin. It's a little easier just to show you this in class in person, but I want you to get an idea on your own, so at least you know what I'm talking about next time I see you in class. All right, so when I'm talking about winding a bobbin, this is a bobbin, and what you do is you take thread from here and put it onto here. Actually, the machine does the work for you. Now, in order for a sewing machine to work, it has to have a top thread and a bottom thread. The bottom thread consists of the thread on your bobbin. And in order, again, to get the thread on the bobbin, you have to wind thread from here to here. You always want to make sure that you're using the same thread on the top and the bottom. So make sure that you wind your bobbin from the thread that you're using for your project. Okay, so to get started, and I'm going to try to do this so you can see the best possible, but I'm not for sure how this is going to work out. All right, we're going to take our thread, we're going to put it on our spool pin, we're going to put the cap on our spool pin, and then we're going to follow the dotted lines. So I'm going to go this way under here, under our middle take up, and then I'm going to go back towards this thread guide. I'm going to lift this machine up so you can see that thread guide closely. That's right here. Now, in order to create enough tension, you have to put the thread behind this little boot thing, and then it's got to go back and underneath this round thing. I'm going to need 2 hands to do this correctly, and once I get my hands up there, you probably won't be able to see what I'm doing, but it's under the boot, back, and around underneath the circle. So again, like I said, you can't see it with my hands in the way, but I have to have 2 hands to do that, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, then I take my thread, and I put it through one of the holes in my bobbin from the inside, working from the inside going to the outside. So I got my thread, it looks like this. I'm going to put it on my bobbin winder. I'm going to engage the bobbin winder, and then what I want to do is cut that thread off. So I have just about 1 inch there. I want to hold it up like so. I'm going to put my foot on the foot pedal and press it down and see how that's winding. I'm going to hold on to this thread for just a little bit, and I can let go of it now, and you can see that that's winding correctly. Now to finish this when I'm done, this little thread up here, I want to cut it off. And it's gone. And then I just want to cut this thread just kind of close to here. Disengage the bobbin winder. Pull it off. And then I can pull my thread out. And that is how you wind your bobbin.